Years back I was younger, but I used to feel older. You took away so many of my doubts, but your chin's on my shoulder. Oh, I'm a child, I cannot stand silence in the convention the sides of my eyes. You could hear me think, if only your ears weren't shut, being alone together. Older, and his tears for raising the excuse, melting slowly, water it down, water me down. I don't want to be older, 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 older. Shout, little man, lay off. Shout, little man, lay off. I can't stand the silence, talking to you in my head as if we're already dead, as if we're already dead, and you look older. That I miss your birthday. His face is so familiar from where. Head in the sand, can't hear a thing, won't see a thing until it's too late. I should have known it happened. Here comes the price I pay. I'm tired, and no sucking my head. I'm tired, get out of my system. Your 100 children in warranty, plastic bags in the trees, are they gone already? Let me dive in from flower to flower. I miss this tasty treasure. Pollen, 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 pollen. There's only one escape. My heart beats, things fall into place. My heart beats, things fall into place. My heart beats, things fall into place. Pollen, pollen, in my head. And that's it. I'm happy with that one.